How's it going, everyone? So I was browsing the ClickUp Facebook group, and Tori Purdue have a question regarding automation. Basically, she wants to be able to, whenever she create a task, for that task to automatically create a checklist for her. So let me delete this and start from scratch. So the first thing you're going to need to do is create a template. I'm going to create a task named template, and I'm going to go inside this task, and this is where I'm going to be creating my checklist. Okay, and I'm going to be making this as a template by going up here, save as template, and I'm going to give it a name. All right, so once that part is done, we can create the automation. The automation is right next to the list name, and it has an icon of a robot. I'm going to click there, add automation, and I'm going to go down to creation and click on when task created, then apply template. All right, so I'm going to go over here and select the template that I just made and hit create. And that's pretty much it. So let's make a task, say hi. And if I click on this task, it has created the checklist that I just made. Let's do it again. And now I click on the task. It just created the checklist that I just made. Awesome. So Tori, I hope I answered your questions. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you guys have any further questions. Take care.